I will be reading from this again, and this time we'll be reading about crunch time. So, will the universe end? No one actually knows. If the universe continues to expand, a big chill could happen. Galaxies will become farther and farther apart and eventually run out of gas to make new stars. The existing stars would run out of fuel and slowly fade away. The universe would dim and cool until it became very cold and dark. Another more violent ending is the Big Rip. In this theory, space continues to expand in the universe, but this expansion starts to occur within galaxies, causing them to separate, then in stars, pulling them apart. It would continue in planets and finally individual atoms. Everything would be ripped apart by the expansion. This all sounds awful, but relax. No scientist is predicting the end of the universe anytime soon. Any ending is billions of years away. So the Big Crunch. In the past, one popular theory for the end of the universe was the Big Crunch. The idea was that the universe could expand by only a certain amount before the force of gravity started to pull it back, just like a rubber band. Everything in the universe would become closer and closer until the universe collapsed into one extremely dense point. So to sum all of this up, the universe might end up by freezing, ripping apart, or completely collapsing. And then here we have some pictures. So here is what the Big Rip would look like. This is what the Big Crunch, the universe collapses, would look like. And the Big Chill, everything would just kind of like get really cold. And yeah, so to give an example of what the Big Crunch would be, is that, so this is like the universe, right? So it'll go and it'll expand and it'll expand, and then it can't expand anymore. No matter how much I pull, it'll, like, this is as big as it's gonna get. And then slowly it'll just start getting back smaller until it collapses all the way into itself. And that's kind of a visual of what the Big Crunch would be. And the Big Rip would be just it going until this breaks up. And then the Big Chill is just, there's no more heat. So everything will just get really, really cold. And that's kind of a sum of the three different ones too. And yeah, that's all I got for this video. Thank you.